A celebration of life and legacy. Ipinagdiwang ng isang Filipino-American sa Washington, D.C. ang kanyang 109th birthday. Bukod sa mga pagbati, umani rin siya ng mga parangal para sa kanyang public service. Alamin ang kanyang kwento sa Agenda Report ng ating U.S. correspondent Don Tagala.
Happy birthday to you. Ipinagdiwang ng Filipino-American na si Evangeline Abelera Paredes ang kanyang 109th birthday nitong July 26 sa Washington, D.C. Ipinanganak si Evangie sa Brooklyn, New York noong July 26, 1916 at ayon sa U.S. Department of Aging, ang semi-supercentenarian na Pinay ang pinakamatandang residente sa Washington, D.C. Binati pa siya at pinarangalan ni Washington, D.C. Mayor Muriel Bowser para sa kanyang legacy at dekada-dekadang serbisyo publiko.
Happy 109th birthday. You are a true inspiration.
I want to thank all of you for coming. These celebrations have been overwhelming to me. But you know what? I think I deserve them.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
Nalagpasan ni Evangie ang dalawang pandemic, 2 World War at 20 US presidencies at nakatrabaho pa niya ang isang Philippine president. Naging personal secretary siya ni President Manuel L. Quezon noong World War II sa Philippine Commonwealth Government in Exile at nakapagtrabaho rin siya para sa top diplomat ng Pilipinas na si Carlos P. Romulo.
I took dictation from President Quezon.
21 years din siyang nagtrabaho sa Philippine government bago siya nagsilbing secretary o stenographer para naman sa The Pentagon sa Washington, D.C. sa loob ng 34 years.
I enjoyed working for both. It was good working for the Philippine government because I was helping the Filipinos. We worked on the sugar, tobacco, and lumber, and U.S. dollars.
Oh, wow.
At that time, the Philippines was under, and the United States was on the dollar system.
Pero para sa mga nagkakaedad na residente dito, simbolo ng pag-asa at survival si Evangie para sa mga seniors at veterans sa Amerika. Dahil sa kanyang volunteer work at advokasya sa AARP noong dekada 90s, marami siyang natulungan sa pakikipaglaban para sa Social Security at Medicare benefits ng seniors at veterans.
I would go to Congress and fight for Social Security, for anything for seniors and veterans. So I was kept going, to attending meetings.
Kaya naman ito ang mensahe ni Evangie para sa mga mapilit na pinapatay ang Social Security at Medicare para sa seniors at veterans sa Amerika.
There are too many people on security. I don't think it's going to go. You don't touch the veterans and you don't touch Social Security. We need the Social Security and we need the veterans. They're good for the country.
Ito naman ang mensahe ni Evangie para sa mga gustong mabuhay ng higit 1 century.
Enjoy life. Life is dear. Save for your future because you don't know what it's going to be. Don't just buy just because it's something new. Think of the future. Today will take care of itself. It's tomorrow you have to be afraid of.
Ayon kay Evangie, araw-araw siyang nagbabasa o nanonood ng balita para alam niya ang nangyayari sa labas ng kanyang assisted living facility. Para sa Agenda, Don Tagala, Billionaire News Channel, Washington, D.C.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionaire News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.